WHO decides if a New York resident is incapacitated. In New York, determining an individual's incapacity is governed by the state's mental hygiene laws, specifically through Article 81 proceedings. Proceedings can begin either when an eligible party petitions to become a guardian or when the court identifies a vulnerable individual during proceedings like eviction or foreclosure and appoints a limited guardian. Legal framework for determining incapacity under Article 81 of New York's Mental Hygiene Law. The court assesses whether an individual, referred to as the Alleged Incapacitated Person, AIP, can manage their personal and financial affairs. The court's primary objective is to determine if the AIP is likely to suffer harm due to their inability to provide for personal needs or manage property and if they cannot adequately understand the consequences of such inability. Initiating a guardianship action. Guardianship actions can be initiated by various parties concerned with the welfare of the AIP, including adult children, close relatives, spouses, or any individual genuinely interested in the AIP's well-being. The petitioner must notify the AIP and their immediate family members, such as parents, adult siblings, and adult children, or at least one living relative if immediate family is unavailable. If the AIP resides with someone, that individual must also be informed. Eligible guardians can be individuals over 18, corporations, or public agencies. The guardianship petition process. The process begins with the petitioner filing a detailed guardianship petition outlining the AIP's functional abilities. A judge appoints an independent evaluator, such as an attorney, psychologist, or social worker, to assess the AIP's health and self-care abilities. This evaluator conducts interviews, compiles observations, and submits a report with recommendations to the court. A hearing follows, where the AIP is encouraged to attend. If the AIP contests the guardianship, the court may appoint an attorney to represent them. Both the petitioner and the AIP can present evidence regarding the AIP's condition. In certain cases, especially when the AIP opposes the guardianship, a jury trial may be convened to address the issues raised. Criteria for establishing incapacity. The court requires clear evidence that the AIP is incapacitated and at risk of harm due to this incapacity. The petitioner bears the burden of proving the AIP's likely incapacity. The court aims to impose the least restrictive form of intervention, ensuring the AIP retains as much autonomy as possible. If a guardian is appointed, they must submit annual reports detailing the AIP's health status and financial management. Navigating the complexities of guardianship and incapacity determinations in New York can be challenging. For personalized guidance and to ensure the protection of your loved one's rights and well-being, consult Schlessel Law PLLC. Contact us at 516-574-9630 or visit our office at 34 Willis Avenue, Suite 300, Mineola, New York, 11501, United States.